Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to share Instagram story to my story. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to share someone's Instagram story to your own story, what you need to do is check if you were tagged in this story or not. You'll see a message saying username mentioned in your story. Simply what you need to do in order to post that story is head over and open up your Instagram app, then be sure to be logged to your account and then tap on the message icon on the top right corner of the screen, or just simply swipe to the right. Then look at for the message where you have been tagged, and then once you open up the message, you will be seeing add to your story option right there. Simply open up the story and then tap on the add to your story button once again, and that way you will be able to add someone's Instagram story to your story. All you gotta do is tap on your story on the bottom right corner of the screen. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.